G Squad, what's happening with y'all, baby? Tall guy in the flesh, back with yet another legendary video. This legendary video is brought to you by and sponsored by, and we partner with the Ridge. Now, if you know me, you've been rocking with me for a very long time, then you know about the Ridge. The Ridge wallet is a tight, compact, stylish, sleek designed wallet that I've been using for a long time. And even when I don't talk about this wallet in every last one of my videos, y'all see it in every last video because I got it in my pocket every single day. I really can't go back to the old grandpa wallet after this Ridge wallet, and it holds up 12 cards, got over 30 different styles, over 40,000 5-star reviews, got a money clip for the cash because you gotta have the cash to get to the ass. But while y'all are getting a chance to click that link below in the description and get your Ridge wallet right now, we are gonna get this video started. Let's go, baby. All right, here we go, G Squad. Make sure you click a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, but make sure you hit that thumbs up right now because that's gonna help with the YouTube algorithm. Make sure you watch this video from beginning to end. We got the first drive in the Ram TRX. Make sure you don't miss it, and make sure you don't skip no ads throughout this entire process. Let's get this video started. We are out of here in our TRX. Shout out to my dog Psycho over at King's Tire and Wheel. First drive in the Ram Reezy 3.0, aka the T-Rexy, the T-Rex, the TRX, whatever you want it to be. I gotta get gas already. I got hella miles on this joint already. Gas cam is on. So yeah, it's go time. It's dark as hell in this joint, ain't it? Let's open this joint up and let's drop some windows down and let's get some light. Before we do, is that normal? Cause I don't even want to go flat again. So let me just go see first, cause it says 11 and 17 and it was doing that before. I thought it was wrong, but now maybe it's right. I'm just traumatized right now, so looks full. Back one looks good. Might just be the tire system or something, or maybe they got to recalibrate because we just cut the car on. Joint's beastie, man. But yeah, let's find out. We'll find out as we drive. Hopefully we won't got another blowout moment. He's going crazy, but yeah, hopefully we won't got another blowout moment. And hopefully everything is cool. Let's go to the speedometer so we keep good track of our speed limit. Now, mind you, the spacers are still on here, and I don't know how that's gonna drive or how it's gonna go, but I just know we got to go and we got to do what we got to do. Now we can roll this window up so y'all ain't getting no wind noise or nothing like that. But yeah, we got Sway behind me in the Hellkeezy. Y'all wanna see that joint? Something wrong with that dude there. Something's really wrong with him. But we're trying to keep it as locked in as possible, but you know, every now and again the screws pop out. Y'all know how it goes sometimes. And we actually got to shut the sunroof because that wind bar with the not the wind bar, I'm tripping, what am I smoking? Big work, huh? The light bar creating so much wind noise. But yeah, it actually feels better. I'm gonna keep it real with you. It feels better than 37s. The 37s, don't get me wrong, give it more of a menacing look, more of an off-road heavy duty look. But let's see, Sway about to take off. Look. I thought he was. Never mind. I know when he goes under this tunnel, how much y'all want to bet that when he goes under that tunnel, he's gonna try to leave a gap between him and the other car, and he's gonna try to hit it a little bit, or he's gonna just throw it neutral. I'll be really surprised if he don't. good as it on the Hellcat. Shit flying all around this motherfucker, man.
I see a tunnel. You guys finna hear a tunnel. So 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, God,
hey, but listen, I'm over here filming Dolo. Flash on the phone. Hopefully the angles is right and everything like that. But yeah, it feels better. Feels more safe. Feels more sturdy. And damn, we got hella traffic to go with it.
This car doesn't do well in traffic. Standstill traffic, stop-go traffic. This car does not do well. Yeah, damn.
But I'm happy to have T-Rex back. And if y'all know why I'm happy to have T-Rex back, it's for a multitude of reasons. But one of the biggest reasons is me and my beautiful wife, Jasmine, love her so much. She's my heart, she's my everything. And make sure y'all subscribe to Love It Slim. Tap in, turn on post notifications, subscribe, click the bell, hit the thumbs up in all the Love It Slim videos. And if you haven't done so already, hit the thumbs up in this video right here. And tap in with us, man. And make sure you just tap in with everything. Follow us both on Instagram. All the information is in the description below. My Snapchat, my Facebook, my Instagram, my wife's, my YouTube channel, well, y'all watching my YouTube channel, but me and my wife's YouTube channel, Love It Slim. Her YouTube channel individually, Jasmine Love. Even though, you know, it's the same last name as me now because it's my wife. I'm proud of that. You know what I mean? Conquering fears, insecurities, whatever it is that I got to conquer, don't matter. I'm going to do it to the end of time because it's the way of life. And the grind don't stop till the motherfucking casket drops. So y'all know what time it is, man. Look at the damn traffic. It's everywhere right now. Sheesh. Let me move over one and let's sway in over here and let him get in front of me. Look at that carbon on the steering wheel, though. The T-Rex move, man. Shout out to Carbon-tastic. Make sure you go get your Carbon-tastic steering wheel right now. Look how good that joint look. Come on now, y'all. With the red, with the carbon. Ooh. Told y'all leave room for Sway to hop in front of the moop. So yeah, we gotta get over there to the fast lane. You know what I mean? So that way we can smash on this joint. And I can tell you how good this thing's actually driving. And but the reason why I'm happy, one of the reasons I was saying I got sidetracked with my thoughts was when we get our dog, you know, obviously it's gonna be the car that, you know, transport our dog and all that good shit and everything like that. And you know, all the heavy duty workings, handyman stuff. You know, shout out to my father-in-law, Pop the Star, because just thinking of handyman, I can't think of handyman without thinking about my father-in-law, Pop the Star. Look at the heads up display and everything like that. He's been putting out a lot of content on there. So make sure y'all don't miss Pop the Star's YouTube channel and watch every last video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all that good shit. Watch the video from beginning to end, because he should be monetized by the time y'all see this video. So make sure y'all go over there and put some of that monetization in his pocket. I'm about to do some illegal shit, but hey, here we go. We in this move, man. Damn, I can finally go Sway too. Look.
Oh, okay. Oh, she's on my ass. Goddamn. He caught her quick. You go around, buddy. Hey, you go around. Wait. Damn. Good. Oh, damn. This car is loud as hell. It feels good. It drives good, damn it. It do drive good. Yeah, boy. This car is loud as hell. Y'all probably can't even hear me, but this shit right here is loud. Nope, stay right here. Damn, man, this car loud, bro.
Blow past his ass. Can I catch up with him? Straight crazy. Just having some fun. You know, just having some fun. Oh, Sway want me to get over on this side, he said. Look. What you want, man? Sway be having too much fun, don't he? Look at him. Sway be acting so dumb, y'all. Look at him. He's scared of the damn van. Damn, Sway, why you scared of the van like that? Y'all see that shit? Sway out here scaring people and shit. Look at the van behind me now. Sway, you's a funny motherfucker, man. That heads up display so legendary on this TRX, y'all. But I'm just over here just, you know, rambling and just giving y'all this real shit, this pure shit with no edits, man, and just sitting back and marinating in the glory, man. Hope y'all enjoying the content. Hope you're enjoying all my people content, all the inner circle content. Hope y'all enjoying my dog, Mr. Organic content, my brother Jeremy content, my brother DJ content. All the information in the description below. Get my words tangled up. All the Love and Slim content, all the Pop the Star content, all the everything content, man. But yeah, we gotta get up out of here, man, and gotta make a few rights, a few lefts, and a few everything in life, and with these whips. So we see you in a minute.